Okay, I think we're at lot number D-262. It's the April 6, 2022 auction, and we are looking at a Toro Reelmaster 5410 diesel powered reel mower. It's probably the better picture there. I think there's about 3,000 hours on this, guys. 4-cylinder Kubota diesel. If you've noticed, the reels are all missing. So reels aren't included. So not a lot for me to test out for you other than firing it up. Of course, we've driven it forward and backward here. So I'll just open her up. And then I'll get in here and fire it up. The brake on before I show you the engine. So there you go, nice little Kubota 4-cylinder diesel on this one. Hour meter right here, guys. Like I said, not a lot to show you. It's not like I can you know, go out and you know, cut a rug or something like that. But I might as well show you that it does move forward and backward. So, okay, this one's selling April the 6th, 2022, bcsurplus.com. It's located in Langley. We're all city auctioneers, and we've got a bunch of stuff selling in this auction. Government surplus, estate, you name it. Nice mixed sale, good selection. Hopefully you'll get another buy-by auction.